You guys, I'm at work. The brick. A ghost is here, you guys. What the hell? Let's see what's going on outside. Turn the flash off. Oh yeah, we go home early. Huh. Well, the kitchen. Well, the power's still on over here. What the hell? Wait a minute. Our food's gonna go bad. Oh, my French toast. What? No. God damn, well, I better close this so the food will stay fresh. Hey, you guys, it's raining. I'm gonna cover up my bike before water gets in between my spark plug holes. I remember when I washed my bike, it didn't want to start. Alright, I'm gonna wash it, you guys, and hopefully when I leave it starts. That's bullshit, you guys. I hope it doesn't fucking break already. She's covered up. But I'm more worried about the cold messing with the starter or the solenoid switch, whatever the problem was this morning. I'm worried that it's not gonna start and then I'm stranded out here. They're closed. I said I'm gonna go to break right now then, shit. It's too dangerous to be riding. I ain't even gonna ride. I'm just gonna eat my donut and then I'll smoke later on.